Pinakamamimiss ko sa outside world, siguro yung kain. Kakain ako lagi sa mga iba't ibang restaurant kasi mahilig po mag-food trip. And yung mga luto ng mami ko, pati lola ko, yun yung mga miss ko talaga. Food! Oh yes! Excited na ako mag-celebrate. Actually, ang dami nun. Kung tatagal ako, New Year, Christmas, and then Halloween. So, excited kung ano ang handa ni Kuya sa loob. Siguro, I think it's gonna be a training for me to mas maging independent na talaga. Na since malapit na nila mag-18, I'm gonna be... Kasi technically, if I'm like living alone, walang kasamang parents, it's like technically just you with some other housemates, but you're gonna rely on yourself mostly. So become more independent and become more mature. Siguro sa pagligo. 5 minutes lang, pero kasi fun fact ako, naliligo ako 1 hour. Kasi may sarili akong concert pag nag-shower. Kaya ayun, 5 minutes. Pero tingnan natin, baka kayanin ko yung 5 minutes. Kayanin ko yung 5 minutes pag sa shower. So, abangan nyo guys. Paano ko pinaghandaan? Well, definitely I was just talking with my mom. It was just me and my mom prepping. And she just told me na paulit-ulit na importante lang na papasok ka ng maayos, lalabas ka ng maayos. And, just be myself. Kung ano ko, I'm friendly, energetic, and madaldal. So just be me. Make friends, be friends with everybody. Huwag mag-aaway with the other housemates. And galingan pag may mga task. And always do chores. Pag may kahit just do chores. Parang, promise ko, makikita nyo ako na may lagi akong ginagawa dun sa loob. So, ayun. I'll be moving around a lot. Yeah, paghuhugas ng pinggan, maaasahan nyo ako doon. Kung may chores naman na lagi nyo makikita na ginagawa ko, it's definitely washing the dishes. So, ayun po. Pero I think matututo rin ako to be flexible to do other household chores kasi hindi naman pwedeng puro dishwashing lang lagi yung gagawin ko. So, I'm excited to find out ano pa yung mga kaya kong gawin na chores. Mga kapuso at kapamilya, tumutok po tayo gabi-gabi sa Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition 2.0 dito lang sa GMA.